Hi everyone, thanks so much for watching. Today's video is all focused around branding and how you can set up custom color schemes. Now, this is a little bit of an update to some of our other videos on the account settings, but if you're not familiar with our software, Life Design Analysis is an insurance comparison and policy management software aimed to help you increase sales, save time, and really enhance your compliance. Now, one of the things that makes a great presentation is great branding, and I'll just in this video, I wanted to show you how you can customize your account with things like your logo, but I really wanted to focus on the new functionality around color schemes. So if you do go up into the welcome in the account settings, you can control things like how the cases look when you generate them. So after you add product and compare different options for the client, you can generate a report. Now we want the report to look like you spent a lot of time on it and it's entirely for you. So we allow you to do things like upload a custom logo to the system, choose different templates to change the look and feel of the report, and even customize things like a mission statement. So if you work in a certain niche, or if you wanted to put sort of the carriers that you're licensed with as part of your disclaimer, that makes sure it gets in every report. Now we've always been able to customize colors. So if I go down to the bottom, you can see I select custom color scheme 1, and there's lots of different color schemes in there depending on kind of your preference or organization. But we had a lot of requests around custom color schemes and wanted to make a video to show you how you can control these. So now in the account settings, in the case tab, which is the very first one, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to see that you are now able to set custom color schemes. So the first step you want to do is under color scheme, instead of specifying one of the predefined ones, you want to go down to the bottom and select custom. And from there you can go through and change the report component. So you can see I can either go through and kind of set something close to my brand, or if you have exact brand standards, you can actually put in the hex codes for these. So you can see, maybe I have a red brand or a something like that. I'll do a nice light red here, and I'll say kind of like a cherry red. Is my main report cover. And you can see this is going to be the heading color throughout the reports. This is kind of the secondary color. And you can see we've given options for even things like green. So usually we use green for whole life plans and anything really with cash value. We represent cash with green because a lot of people think green when they think of money. Same thing with blue. We use blue to represent insurance benefit because blue is generally a calming color. But you can see we give a little description over what each component is. But let's say, for instance, you think that your cash value charts, you would like them to be a different color. Now you can customize everything. You could make your your cash value color purple. You could make premium accumulation, instead of being red, which we normally use, you could make it a different color. Really customize these for your brand. You'll see there's kind of primary colors and secondary colors. A lot of times these are used for things like alternate dividend scales, or when a certain color comes close, we use another one that has a lot of contrast. So think about the contrast of your reports, but now you can customize each different area. Remember, after you're finished, save and continue, and you'll see that when I go to any of my reports that I've done, for instance, I'll save that. If I go to any of the reports that I've done, so I can go back to my last case as an example, when I generate the report, it's going to pull from my custom color scheme. So you can see I've customized this with a very nice cherry red that's going to pop. And even things like if I've controlled, where normally, something like a whole life would be green, now I've made it purple. So even things like my cash value and things like that are going to have that, sort of that more purpley blue color there. So again, think about how you can customize the reports and make it match your branding more. But hopefully that gives these reports a different level of personalization where they can exactly match your brand specifications. And again, anything we can do to help make your presentation better, we're always open to suggestions. So thank you so much for watching. Remember, go into your account settings and customize your brand settings. This is a premier feature in Life Design Analysis. If you're on any of our other subscription classes, definitely reach out to our sales and support team and ask us a question on upgrading, or if you have any questions on how to customize this for your account. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.